It's cloudy right now. East winds at 8 miles an hour. Pollen. I'm actually glad to tell you this. Mountain cedar season is so close to being over. We have like 2 more weeks of mountain cedar season. It usually really tapers off by the end of this month and beginning of March. It's still high though today, so that's not good. But Elm is moderate. And as we look at temps tonight, it's a cool night, but seasonably cool. Our normal low is 42. We'll be right around 45 in Dallas, Fort Worth 44, Corsicana 50, Gainesville 45. You see some colder air to the northwest. This is actually moving in our direction. There will be colder air coming this weekend. Sunday morning, you'll really feel it. So again, it's a cool start to Saturday, but you'll feel a colder start to the day on Sunday. Cloudy skies right now across all of North Texas. Here comes that cold front. It'll be right around 3 o'clock in the morning for the Metroplex. It'll roll through quietly. You won't even know it's passed by. And tomorrow will be another cool day, but we have lots of sunshine in the forecast tomorrow. The one thing that I will say behind this cold front, it will be windy. So that may impact your outdoor plans. We'll have winds gusting up to 30 miles an hour at times on Saturday. So if you have outdoor plans, the sun will be nice, temperatures cool, but the wind will make it feel a little bit chillier than the actual high temperature in the upper 50s and low 60s. Sunday, more sunshine. I just wanted to show you that just to show you that tomorrow and Sunday both have lots of sunshine in the forecast. There's your weekend forecast. 62 Saturday afternoon. Look at this. North winds 15 to 30, so that's a windy day. Sunday, the winds do ease up a little bit. 61 the afternoon high after a pretty cold start to the day, 37 degrees. Now remember, our average last freeze at DFW is not until March 12th, so it's not uncommon and it's certainly expected to see temperatures in the 30s this time of the year. It's just I think we've kind of forgotten that we're still in the middle of winter. So more on the winds tomorrow. They'll really start to work back into the 20 to 30 mile an hour range by the end of the morning. And then throughout the afternoon, winds will be gusting 28, 30 miles an hour pretty much all day. And then by the evening, we're still looking at 20 plus mile an hour wind gust, even at 7 o'clock before they really start to dial down by the overnight. Temperature wise, you know, what's happened most of this winter here is we'll get these cool downs, but they're very brief. The warmth has really won out this winter. Now remember, meteorologically speaking, winter is December, January, February. That's for record-keeping purposes. And the fact is, the seasons tend to actually line up better with these months rather than the astronomical months or the astronomical seasons. But I digress. Cool weather Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but then we're back to the 70s Tuesday, back into the 80s on Wednesday. That's 18 degrees warmer than normal. We will be dry over the next 5+ days. I have a little bit of rain in the forecast by the beginning of March, but I think we're seeing no more rain for the rest of February. It has been a very dry winter. Tonight, 44 degrees, partly cloudy tonight. It'll be dry and chilly with light winds. Tomorrow, 62, mostly sunny skies, dry and cool, windy at times. That's kind of the #1 thing with this weekend is the wind on Saturday. Then back into the 80s on Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesday of next week will also be pretty breezy days as that warmth really pulls back into North Texas. Middle 70s to end of the work week, and we may hit 80 again. Saturday, February 28th. I tell you this, Wednesday, the 25th and then the 28th of Saturday, those 2 days in the 80s, if we hit those 80-degree marks, that'll put us at the top spot, tied first place for the most 80s in a winter here at DFW. Little weather stat for you. Maybe I'm the only one that cares about that because I'm a weather nerd, but you know,
I care.
Isn't that interesting?
I care.
Morgan cares. I knew I loved Morgan. And then beyond that, you see those chances of rain, March 1st and March 4th.